Come here. Come here.
Locks and metal bars are just minor suggestions to this criminal mastermind.
She's locked in.
Calculated the jump perfectly, but forgot that golden retrievers cannot fly.
Not okay. I think I like this life.
He taught this dog personal hygiene better than most human teenagers. Nature documentaries are way too realistic for his single functioning brain cell.
Hi, Ralphie.
What are you doing?
This is not a negotiation, human. Surrender the basket right now.
Oh my god. Oh.
Hello. It's me.
The brain saw treats, but the paws completely forgot how to break.
De contas.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Must destroy the magical moving stick before it steals my front window.
She's just scared. Being gay is a very weird thing. I'm glad you said it physical.
他怎么都这么搞笑？
The solid snake of cats patiently waiting for the perfect ambush moment.
Tilly, show me what you've got. Where did you find that?
Alles gut?
Bro received a 5-star combo attack out of nowhere.
Oh, big stretch, but
ways in which intelligence produces visibility and how this reproduces sensibility. If you'd like to edit.
Summoning ancient sand spirits just to do basic bathroom business properly.
What do you have? You know you can't have that.
Please let go. Okay. Now I have to work. Let me work. No bite. Do you want to go to timeout?
The exact moment his nose regretted every single life decision today.
Mama? What the heck are you doing over there?
I must catch this furry stranger following me everywhere I go.
Get the fuck out my face.
You want to go shopping? You want to go to the pet store? You want to go to the market?
All bark, zero bite, powered entirely by a protective metal gate.
up to your eyeballs. Oh my goodness sake. Ew.
I'm so hungry I can eat a dog. I'm so hungry I can eat a dog. Shit.
Sir, this is a Wendy's, and also I am your roommate. Please stop.
No.
Go bang! Good boy!
Teddy, have you been in this room? Because no, get out. Get out. 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 Get out.
Your missing hair ties have been confiscated for top secret cat business.
Bagel.
He is spiritually in dreamland, but physically haunting this entire living room.
Amy, you know you hear me talking to you. I'm videoing. Oh, easy. Easy.
Manual charging required. Touch the battery to activate the cat tongue.
Bon, ok, alors ça c'est bon, ça c'est bon. Les croûtes de fromage à la poubelle. Voilà, ça c'est fait. Après, bon bah voilà.
No! God, please, no! No!
Is you okay? What happened?
The award for the most dramatic injury demonstration goes to this guy.
There's a dog.
Nice.
And then, hold on, I got a foot, man. Let's do it. And this is a cat.
Pranking a hungry dog with empty air is playing with pure fire.
Yeah, but you're dead.
No unauthorized UFOs are allowed in my airspace. Buzz off, robot bug.
I want a donut. I want a donut. What's up? Excuse me. Excuse me. Thanks.
Help me! Help me! Bailey, you want a treat?
The dog wants to eat, but he values staying alive much more.
No, get down.
Even the cat knows the internet has officially lost its collective mind. The puppy learned very quickly who runs the show around here.
So freaking. Excuse me! No! No!
What is it? What is it? What have you done?
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me with my taxes?
Huh?
Hey?
Round and round I spin, discovering new dimensions of feline dizziness.
Should I get a dog? Should I get a dog? Should I get a dog?
Excuse me. Oh, you're so dramatic, bro. Oh my God!
The master ceramic artist has arrived to supervise this amateur pottery project.
That was good.
I know, it's awesome.
Are you doing this? Are you catching this?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
So apparently I'm not allowed to touch her when she's inside her box because no little bites, no big bites, no big bites. Oh, you fell. You're embarrassed. Embarrassed.
Never drop your guard when a cat offers unexpected free affection.
Ow! What are you doing? You little rascal. What are you, some kind of piranha? Yeah. What are you doing? Ow. You're just reckless.
Stop.
He pretended nothing happened and quickly licked his paw in denial. Bro thinks he is an apex predator defending the fortress from delivery.
Come on, mate! Icy salt.
Oh my god.
Good girl. Come on, all the way in. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, honey. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come on, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Good job.
Affection is a one-way street, human. Please respect my
My name is Jen.
7 years old, but there's 21 of you. Power in numbers.
I thought he was your friend.
Why would you think a man in a ski mask was my friend?
Maybe he didn't want anyone to know.
Nothing to see here, officer. I was just casually stretching my leg.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Póngaselo. Bueno. ¿Le gustó?
Y quieren que recordemos las cosas que decía la derecha que iban a...
Oh no!
Sienna. Cypress. Cypress. Nova. Akira. Minna. Back. Travail. Tundra. Cyrus. Minna.
Mount Everest has nothing on the terrifying height of this wooden dining chair.
What did you do? You kind of did already a little bit there. Oh, okay.
Big Brother Masterclass in proper polite canine etiquette is now in session.
Trustful. You're trustful. You're trustful. Come on. Oh. What have you done? What did you do? What did you do?
Pure, unbothered peace and happiness captured in one single sleeping pup.
Don't bark. Come here. No. Thank you. Come.
Hello? Oh, the vet? Oh, for Sam? Okay, I'm gonna take her now. Alright. Let me take her out. Come on, let's go to the vet, Sam. Okay, she's gonna get shot?
Okay, let her eat. Let her eat.
Remove this green leaf of insult from my noble presence immediately, human.
Bunny.
This cat has definitely spent his previous life working in Las Vegas.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hello?
Curiosity did not kill the dog, but it definitely ruined his morning coordination.
You gotta be quicker than that. You gotta be quicker than that. Alright, babe. Alright, all you. Alright, for real this time. Here. Alright, one more. Quicker than that. One more time.
Hey! Why do you have a glove?
The absolute cursed face swap that nobody asked for, but everyone needed.
Mila! Mila!